Hey human! Merry Christmas! You know with me, Christmas is extra, right? So I'll be taking you through decorating my kitchen. Yes, the kitchen is going to get a Christmas look. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. Yeah! 22. I'm just excited for Christmas to come. 22, that means we are 3 days to Christmas. 3 days to Christmas. So today I'll show you this decoration. I will be making tea. I'll show you how I make my tea. This tea is the bomb. Going to blast everything you eat overnight. See, the tummy is going to be this flat. And let me not talk too much. You see the tea. All right. Ready, guys? Let me show you how I make my tea. This tea is the bomb. It is going to help with, it's an anti-inflammatory tea. But the bomb about this tea is that it clears literally everything you've eaten at night. It sends you to the loo like ASAP. It helps to empty your bowels. So I'll be using cilantro, so I just cut that in half or whatever. So I dunk it in with its stock, STARANISE, cloves, just a bit of everything, and cardamom. A bit of everything. Now, why do I like to use cilantro? Cilantro is also coriander. Is also known as coriander, or coriander known as cilantro. So, cilantro, this leaf here, reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, obesity, seizure severity, as well as raising your energy levels. And guess why I really love this leaf and why I take this tea a lot? It is healthy for your hair and skin. Oh my god. So I take this tea first thing in the morning and last thing at night. It helps to give you an overall perfect bowel, and it's nice. It's nice by itself. It's nice if you add honey. But hey, that's it. So let that boil and we'll serve a glass. Next slide. This is a tea that is going to be warmed over and over. At this point, I will turn off the heat and serve. Yay! Look at how beautiful that is. Really beautiful. And that clove will go back to the pot. Ah! Beautiful. Take a picture. Take a picture, take a picture, take a picture. Alrighty guys, our tea is ready. So like I said, you can take this with honey or without honey. And let's take a sip. It is really hot. So, cilantro, coriander, in my opinion, they're the same thing. But I hear that coriander is the dried seeds, which is also very good for cooking food. Very good dry herb. It has this amazing flavor, honestly. Alright guys, I think I'm talking too much. There's a lot to do today. Alright, next slide. My bulb blew off. Bottom line, my bulb, one of my lights, is dead, going out. I'm exhausted, but hey, I need to get that light so that I'll give you guys quality production. So I'm going out to get that. Let's go. Honestly, Abuja is really beautiful at night. I love the Christmas decoration that was by CBN, and we are here at Austin 7070. This complex is beautiful. Oh my god, I think I should do a vlog about Abuja. What do you say? Is this something you would like to see? Anyways, we are here. Like I mentioned in my video, so one of the lights that I use for my recordings uses a bulb, and the bulb just gave up on me. Literally, I had to come get some replacement, and like our gum series says, it's just debit or credit all the time. But it's for good. So I buy a lot of things here at Austin 7070. I buy, and honestly, I've been lucky, thank God. So if you are looking for items to buy for your videos, guys, you gotta come here. Ooh, look at this lighting. Oh my god, imagine this was my studio. See my skin popping. Hey. You guys, that's the quality you get when you come to Austin. And look at this human being here. I'm sure you all know her. There are plenty here, like plenty. And guess what today? Hey, they are not watching Chosen. Hey, glory be to God. Alright guys, remember today is Vlogmas day 22. Exactly 3 days to Christmas. Hey! Alright you guys, let's go. We're done and out of here. So, yay. We're done with that, and I needed to replace my coriander, so we came to Amigo, now known as For You. This beautiful star just made my day. Oh my god, I love Christmas decorations, guys. I do. I literally just get really excited about it. So I love to come to Amigo a lot because, one, Amigo is really clean, neat. The price is, well, fair enough compared to other supermarkets. Now, sorry, excuse me, I'll share a tip with you. When you come to the vegetable stand, always make sure to check out your vegetable away from that light in the fridge. The light in the fridge will make your vegetable look all fresh and lush until you get home. Well, excuse me, I bought coriander and purple cabbage. So Amigo is really big. They have all sorts of things. They have toiletries. They have kitchen cleaning. They have sanitary towels, they have beauty products, they have kitchen products, cleaning products. They literally have everything. They even have a pharmacy downstairs. Their Christmas decoration was just so beautiful. This is another tradition I do. So I like to fill the sock with Christmas goodies, basically candies. I guess what, guys? The humans I live with will shamelessly, they're all adults, will shamelessly finish this. But hey, some kids in the neighborhood get to get this. And I promise you that I was going to show you how I set up my Christmas decoration in my kitchen. Yes, guys, I am extra. When it comes to Christmas, I am extra. Every year I do something extraordinary. And one of the extraordinary things I did this Christmas is to set up decoration in my kitchen. It just adds to my excitement about Christmas. Christmas is a season of love because Jesus was given to us. He was given in love, and I am in love with him. Alrighty, guys. You'll have to excuse me. Vlogmas has not been easy. So this is I and Grace. And guys, I don't know about you, but when I do things, I always like to consult with people around me. I do not ever make a mistake of thinking that I know it all. So I ask for suggestions. I ask people's opinions, even if those people are younger than I am. They may just have a better eye than you do, and it's okay, guys. It's okay. So I got these balls that just glisters when your light is turned off, or basically when you have minimal light. It makes everything really beautiful. So I went all out, like all out. I got a ladder, went up the ladder. I had the sticky tapes, stuck them in, and brought in this beautiful ornaments. So I chose to do different colors of this ornaments, basically the balls. So there was the green, the red, the blue, the silver, and I had those unique selections I did when I went to buy more ornaments. And oh my god, by the time I was done, it was really pretty. I had a lot to do today, guys. I wasn't able to do like a swell of the decoration, but I promise you guys, I will definitely do that for you so that you see how everything turned out. Whew. Today has been an extremely stressful day, but I thank God, hey, I'm here and you are here watching this. That's cool, guys. Thank you so much for always stopping by my channel. I truly appreciate you. Please like this video, comment on the video, let me know what you thought about my vlog, and share this video. It may cheer someone up, it may make somebody's day, you don't know. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Evelyn Abraxton, the beautiful chick. you may want to consider subscribing. And when you subscribe, guys, press on the notification bell so that way you know whenever I have a new post up. I promise you guys, I will only keep getting better and better and better and better. This is me just doing a video, taking pictures. Alrighty, take a picture, take a picture. You know how we do it. So I was exhausted. By the end of this day, I wanted to go have a pedicure, but guys, I was like, hey, you work so hard, girl. It's okay to have a home service. It's no biggie. Have a home service. The beauty with you. I sat to try to watch TV, but hey, I'm not a TV person. It wasn't working, and then I had a lot of editing to do. So that's what I was doing on my phone. While I was having my pedicure done, I was editing these videos. Guys, Vlogmas has not been easy. I must confess. It has been really, really extremely stressful. But I am glad that I could make your day. That is what counts. So that was my brother coming in to ask a few questions, and we sorted some transactions. And oh my god, my brother makes the best barbecue. I am not even joking. So like I said, if you are in Abuja, you may want to come to our Christmas barbecue happening on Christmas Day. I will love to see you if you are in Abuja. I repeat, if you're in Abuja, you may want to come. Remember, Christmas is a season of sharing. Alrighty, guys. I love you. You know I do, right? Please stay safe. Take care of yourself. Be good to you. Be good to somebody else. And just let love lead. Let love lead us. I pray in this life that good will overcome evil. Honestly, there's so much hate in the world. Let's try to spread some love to do away with all of that hate, guys. All right. Thank you. I was just getting bored of the movie that I didn't even understand, so I changed to CNN. And ooh, that was a little bit of relief. But hey, I went back straight to editing. I told you before, I edit my videos myself, right? Yes, I did. Alrighty, guys, I am gonna call it a day. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. I love you. Bye.
This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything.